guys the amount of pressure it took me to close this thing, and it is so heavy. I'm really hoping it's not going to be overweight because this thing has some weight to it. This is the fit for Miami, well, to the airport. Shirt is either Forever 21 or H&M. Leggings are Aritzia, and then I'm wearing my grandma's brown Birkenstocks. We're about to leave, and yeah, I'm gonna bring everything downstairs. I'm out of breath because of this suitcase. But anyway, I will see y'all on the drive there. Hey guys, my name is Cheyenne. If you're new, what is up? I am in Miami. Yesterday, I barely got any clips at the airport. Yesterday was a whole little debacle in itself. Our flight got delayed 3 hours. We were supposed to leave at 6. Didn't end up leaving until 9. Got here at past midnight because of the weather. It's hurricane season, so the weather has been very unpredictable, but it's looking really nice now, and I hopefully it stays like this, but we will see. We are about to go downstairs after we're done getting ready. I'm still not done, to get coffee, food, and I don't know if we're just gonna walk around or what, but then I want to go to the beach. Yeah, and then later today we're going to dinner at 8, so we pretty much have the whole day. I'm so happy and super excited. I'm really just so ready to get pictures. Yeah, yes, this is the fit. Shirt is Shein, shorts are American Eagle. I don't have anything else on, so I will come back when I'm ready and about to get food because I'm starving. I am. And my face is super pale from the sunscreen. Anyway, bikini is from Shein, wearing the same shorts. And hopefully it doesn't start raining. The sun has been out though, and it just went in the clouds, so we will see, but I'm excited. Shirt is TJ Maxx. Pants are H&M. Shoes. Do you remember where I got these shoes?
I got them from Nasty Gal.
Nasty Gal. Hey guys, it's the next day. Was supposed to be day 3, but it's day 2. And we are about to go on a boat. The weather is very cloudy, but hopefully it clears up. We're gonna be on a boat ride for 6 hours, so hopefully it will. But yeah, this is the fit. Cover up is Shein. Then I have on my bathing suit. This is from Nasty Gal. And shorts are Pull & Bear. Then shoes are my grandma's. These are the shoes from Zara. This is what it looks like outside. I had to come back up here from getting coffee so I could get my water because they made the coffee so sweet. But yeah, anyway, I'm about to go back downstairs and we're leaving at 10, around 9:45 right now. So yeah, I guess I will see y'all on the boat. I know I haven't talked to y'all in a minute, but I'm getting ready for dinner, night 2 basically. It's at the hotel, but it's supposed to be like on the fancier side, so I'm wearing this like whole dress. You could probably see in the back. That dress right there hanging up. I just did my hair. Yes. And then now I need to reapply my makeup, and that's really it. Today was a good day. The boat ride was amazing. I loved it. I really could have stayed on there longer. We were on there for like 5 hours. It didn't feel like it at all. It went by so quick. But yes, I loved it and I will definitely be doing that again. It was super fun. Then we came back to the hotel and I went to the beach for a little bit, and then we sat by the pool down here. But then we came back up to start getting ready. I want to get it ready early so I can actually get some Instagram worthy pictures, because the ones that I've gotten aren't the best, so probably won't be posting those, but we will see. I might change my mind. Tonight's fit for y'all. Shein shoes. I don't remember.
Next message.
In the morning, and I'm exhausted. I cannot hang. So I'm going down.
However, I understand the way that Nick thinks, and I think that I can sort of work.
Fuck, all I know is you hot and you know this. You make it easy to blow this. You know this thing. Working an ass for me, shaped like a glass for me. It's like I knew what I liked.
Hey guys, it is travel day. Here's the fit. Shein American Eagle. These cool sandals. Same jewelry, of course. But yeah, our flight's not until 7 p.m. and it's almost 12 right now. We're gonna go like walk the boardwalk, shopping, get brunch, all that stuff. I'm kind of sad about my pictures last night. They did not turn out the best, so probably won't be posting on Insta. But it's okay. At least I have the memories.
keep Sophie when I dress. Trying to get you wet like a Baptist. I need all your love running down always.
In Zara, about to try on this dress that I have nowhere to wear to, so someone please take me on a date. Please. It looks so good. I have to try on those too. This is the first size. This one is really cute. But this one has a bigger size than that one, so I'm trying to see which size I need. This is a 2. This one is a size 0, and I feel like I'm suffocating in this. So I think I'm gonna get this size 2. It's a little more comfortable.